Hello Star Wars fans, Budget Jedi here, and welcome to what might be my most embarrassing recording yet. This is a response video to Lord Exidium's What is your favorite Star Wars noise or sound? Before I get into that, I do want to talk about a sound that I talked about in my last X-Wings collection video. If you remember, I said something like, well, I like to pick up my X-Wing and go pew 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 with it. Well, you know what? As it turns out, it's not pew 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 at all. Let me play this clip to show you. It didn't sound like pew 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 at all. Again, one more time, guys. In fact, I misspelled the whole thing. It was never P-E-W. It should have been W-E-P. Wep, wep, wep. It literally sounds like W-E-P. So, let me correct myself and say that sometimes I like to play with my X-Wing and go wep, wep, wep around the room. Okay, now for my favorite funny or silly Star Wars noise, let me go into it by playing this next clip.
Very weak coming through. Sir, I am fluent in 6 million forms of communication. This signal is not used by the Alliance.
That's right, guys. It's the probe droid. Now, the probe droid doesn't make too much of an appearance in the movies. But if you've played the old PC game Jedi Knight, Jedi Outcast, you'll find that this noise can get quite stuck in your head. To me, it sounds like he's saying, played with the system, been around the fence. I don't know. Here, let's hear it again. So that is one of the weirdest sound or funniest Star Wars sound to me that's been kind of stuck in my mind for years. If anybody has a funny or a true alternative to what it was really saying, definitely let me know. Or not, because chances are I might just delete this embarrassing video. But before I go, let me leave you with the same clip again. And finally, if you haven't already, please subscribe to Lord Exidium. He's one of the coolest guys I know in the collecting community. He does this to have fun, shares his collection. Watch his really cool videos. Easygoing reviews, funny comments, and the best thing about this guy, he never forgets to smile. So, thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you click on this link down there.